In this lesson, I'm going to give you a basic overview on how to pick and choose your colors. First off, we can see your color over on the left hand side of the toolbar over here. And we can see that there is a black square and obviously a white square underneath. Now yours might be showing a different color to mine, but black is normally the default color that Photoshop has. When you click on the top square, a color picker will appear. If you slide these little triangles up and down, it will change the color, and you can simply click on the color you want. So for instance, I like this color, so I've just clicked onto it, okay, and then you click OK. Then a color box will now be changed to that green color. So anything we create now will be this color here. So say for instance, if we click on the text tool and we start typing, our color is now going to be that green color. Or if we're wanting to add a shape and drag, you'll notice that the box now is that color. Okay, now I'll show you another fun way to use color. For instance, if you're wanting to color match something, you're making an invitation and you have a clip art and you're wanting to use that color that's in that clip art to your text or to a shape tool, whatever. Alright, so all you need to do is go onto File and let's go into Place Embed. Okay, so for instance, I am wanting this rocket, and let's hit place. Okay, and there is my image. Let me just shrink that down slightly, and let's just drag it over here. Okay, and I'm just going to hit enter to place it. Okay, now say for instance I'm wanting to change this text to this color red. Okay, so all you need to do is click onto your text, go over here to your color, and your picker tool will show up, and all you need to do is go over here and click on that color. Okay, now say for instance, let's just say the gray. I want the gray. Now what you can also do is, if you think that you'll be using this color quite often, you can actually save it in your swatches, which is like your online, it's like your saved section. Okay, so you can click saved, or you can hit OK, whichever one you want, and you can also name it if you wanted to, but in this case we're just going to hit OK. Okay, so say for instance you wanted that color there that you just used and you can't remember what it was, and that there is a way to be able to find out what that color was. Okay, if say for instance if you didn't have your clip art there, or for whatever reason, or you're using that color for another project, if you go over here, you also probably should be showing up as color. Alright, and then either on the top here or at the bottom you will see what's called swatches. If you click onto your swatches, it brings up every single color that you have used in the past. Okay, and you know how we saved this color in our swatches? If you scroll down at the bottom here, there is the color there. Alright, so that has been saved to your library. So these colors here won't stay there because it's always chopping and changing it depending on what color you used in that. Okay, sorry, these colors here. But if you save it to your library, it'll be saved over here in your swatches menu. Okay, so that is a brief overview on how to use color.